welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the cosmos to uncover some of the most fascinating facts about space. Buckle up, because this is going to be an interstellar journey. We're talking about things that are so big, so vast, so incredibly cool, that they make everyday life here on Earth seem, well, a little bit boring. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open because we're about to explore the wonders of the universe and uncover some secrets that will leave you starstruck. So if you're ready to journey to the edge of the unknown and back, then sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed. Let's kick things off with our very own star, the Sun. This giant ball of burning plasma is the reason we're all here. It's the source of our light, our heat, and pretty much everything that makes life on Earth possible. But here's the thing. The Sun makes our planet look like a little speck of dust. I'm talking over 300,000 times larger. If the Sun were a basketball, Earth would be about the size of the head of a pin. That's mind-bogglingly huge. Think about it this way, you could fit over 1 million Earths inside the Sun. And it's not just about size. The Sun's gravity is what holds our entire solar system together, keeping all the planets, including Earth, in their orbits. It's a constant reminder that we're just a small part of something much, much bigger. And it's not just our solar system. The Sun is just one of billions upon billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and our galaxy is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. So, the next time you see the Sun in the sky, remember that you're looking at a powerhouse of cosmic energy, a giant furnace that dwarfs our planet and dictates the rhythm of our little corner of the universe. We've established the Sun is big, really big, but it's time to go bigger, way bigger. Imagine yourself on a beach, staring out at the vastness of the ocean, feeling the sand between your toes. Now imagine counting every single grain of sand on that beach. It seems impossible, right? There are just too many to even fathom. Well, get ready for this. There are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. That's not just a lot of stars, that's a number so incredibly large that it's almost impossible for our human brains to truly comprehend. Think about the implications of that for a moment. With that many stars, the chances of there being other planets like Earth with conditions suitable for life increase dramatically. We may be just one small planet orbiting an average star, but the sheer vastness of the universe suggests that we're probably not alone. And that, my friends, is a truly awe-inspiring thought. Let's shift gears for a moment and talk about a planet that's a little closer to home. Venus, our next-door neighbor. Now, Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and composition to our planet. But don't let that fool you. Venus is a pretty strange place. For starters, it's the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. And the reason for this extreme heat? A runaway greenhouse effect. But that's a story for another time. What we're really interested in today is Venus's bizarre relationship with time. You see, on Venus, a day is actually longer than a year. I know it sounds crazy, right? Here's the deal. Venus rotates incredibly slowly on its axis, so slowly that it takes longer to complete one rotation than it does to orbit the Sun. To be precise, a day on Venus lasts about 243 Earth days, while a year on Venus is only about 225 Earth days long. So if you lived on Venus, you would celebrate your birthday more often than you saw a sunrise. It just goes to show that our concept of time is relative and that the universe is full of surprises. Now let's talk about one of the most extreme and fascinating objects in the universe, neutron stars. These bizarre celestial objects are the remnants of massive stars that have gone supernova, exploding violently at the end of their lives. What's left behind is a sphere of incredibly dense material, compressed by gravity to an almost unimaginable degree. Imagine taking all the mass of our Sun, which as we know is huge, and squeezing it down into a sphere the size of a city, say, New York City. That's the kind of density we're talking about with a neutron star. They're so dense that a single teaspoonful of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons, about the same as Mount Everest. Now imagine the kind of gravity something like that would have. It's so strong that it warps the fabric of space-time around it, creating some seriously strange effects. If you were to fall into a neutron star, the gravitational forces would stretch you out like spaghetti before crushing you into oblivion. It's a good thing these cosmic monsters are incredibly far away, but they're a testament to the incredible power of nature and the mind-boggling extremes that exist in our universe. Here on Earth we're constantly surrounded by sound. From the chirping of birds to the roar of traffic, our world is a symphony of noise. But in the vast emptiness of space, there is only silence. That's right, space is completely and utterly silent. Why? Because sound waves need a medium to travel through, like air or water. Here on Earth, when we speak, our vocal cords vibrate, creating pressure waves in the air that travel to our ears, allowing us to hear. But in space, there's no air, no atmosphere to speak of, just a near-perfect vacuum. And without a medium for sound waves to travel through, there's simply no sound. So, if you were to find yourself floating in space without a spacesuit, not recommended by the way, you could scream your lungs out and no one would hear a thing. It's a chilling thought, but it's a reminder of the stark and unforgiving nature of the cosmos. But hey, maybe the silence is a good thing. It gives us a chance to appreciate the beauty of the universe without any distractions, to contemplate our place in the grand scheme of things. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed these space facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Until next time, keep looking up. We've only just scratched the surface of what there is to discover out there in the vast expanse of the cosmos. From the smallest particles to the largest structures, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored. So never stop asking questions, keep your curiosity alive, and who knows what incredible secrets you might uncover. Remember, the universe is a vast and mysterious place, and there's always something new to learn.